In this video, I'll be showing you how you can smoothen this background. As you can see, this floor is rumpled, or this side is all rumpled. So the first thing I do is I pick my lasso tool and select all the areas I feel are rumpled, like so. I hold down my shift key on the keyboard. I'll highlight this side. This side too is rumpled. I'll select all here. Then use generative fill. I'll click on generate. I'm not going to type any prompts. I'll just click generate. So let's wait to Photoshop to do its thing. As you can see, it has smoothened the background. This is one way I do it. You can check the variation to see what Photoshop has done. I'm happy with the first one. The next thing I do is to flatten the image. Come here, I'll right click, flatten the image. This is one way I smoothen my background in Photoshop. You can still take it further. As you can see, this one, you can see this part is not smooth. Some parts here are not really smooth. If you look at this side, it's not really smooth. So what I tend to do is, I'll duplicate this image by clicking on Ctrl J. Then select subject. You can use any tool to select your subject. Because I'm using the Photoshop 2025, you can do it automatically. So that's why I'm using that tool. The next thing I do after selecting the image is to inverse the selection. So come to select, click on inverse. Or you can click on your lasso tool, right click on the image, click on select inverse. If you don't want to do it that way, you can use your keyboard by using Ctrl Shift I to inverse the selection. So after inversing the selection, you cut it by using your keyboard, Ctrl X. After cutting it, the next thing I do is to create a new layer. Click here to create a new layer. Then paste it here on the new layer. I'll paste it here. Then I'll convert this layer to smart object. Right click, convert to smart object. After converting it to smart object, the next thing I do is to bring it under. Let's bring it under the image, for the image to be at the top and the selection to be at the bottom. I want this flower to remain. What I'll do now is to select around the flower. Select around the flower, just like so. With my smart object layer selected, select or add more. With this layer, this one, the smart object layer selected. So once I'm done, the next thing I do is to come to filter. Click on filter, select blur, go to Gaussian blur and click on it. So you can reduce the radius. You can start from 0.1. You just increase to where you know you're happy with the smoothness. You can just move the slider till you're happy with what you're seeing. So 37. Let's say 35. Yeah, I'm happy with 35. So after that, the next thing I do is to click on OK. You can see we're having a better looking background. So from this to this, from this to this. The next thing I do after smoothing the background is to add some noise to the background just to make it more realistic. So what I do is to come to filter, come to noise, add noise. You can increase the amount of noise you want to add. You can increase it. But I like my noise to be within 2 to 3. So I'll make this one 3. You can click on uniform, but I prefer using Gaussian. And I ensure monochromatic is checked. After that, click on OK. So this is just to make it more realistic. As you can see, we'll have some noise in the background. Yeah, so this is how I'm smoothing my background in Photoshop. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.